பெண் குழந்தை பெயர்கள். B letters with name meanings. Bhargavi, meaning name of God Saraswati. Bhavani, meaning name of river. Bhavya, meaning wonderful. Bindu, name meaning drop of water. Vibhasa, meaning river. Bhuvana, meaning the earth. Bharani, meaning crystal star. Babida, meaning little girl. Brinda, meaning Tulasi tree. Bandana, meaning worship. Bhumiha, meaning the earth. Bhairavi, meaning God Durga Devi. Bhavadarini, meaning Goddess Bhuma Devi. Bhagyalakshmi, meaning Goddess Lakshmi. Bhanupriya, meaning the sun's beloved. Bodhana, meaning inspiring. Bhuvanastri, meaning the earth. Bhanureka, meaning the sun rays. Bhavana, meaning emotion. Bhaviha, meaning behaving well. Bhanumati, meaning beautiful. Bhumija, meaning daughter of Bhuma Devi. Bindumati, meaning land. Patsini, meaning compost night. Pamila, meaning comfortable. Pavagita, meaning a tune. Pumadi, meaning intelligent. Bhagyastri, meaning happy. Padrika, meaning beauty. Pavitra, meaning pure. Balapriya, meaning spirituality. Bharati, meaning Goddess Saraswati.